Hello. So in the last lecture, we learned how to add pages. In this lecture, we're going to learn how to add blog posts. So same thing. You're at your WordPress dashboard. You're going to go down the left here, find posts. You can click all posts. This is going to take you to all the blog posts that are published on your website right now. So there's the one that's been pre-populated on there, and to add a new one, you're just going to go to Add New. So it looks quite similar to the page to add a new page, but in this one we're adding a new post. So you're going to have your blog post. You're going to have one just prepared here already. So you're going to post or paste your content in here. You're going to post your title up here. And then along the side, there's a couple things. You can categorize your posts. So if you want to allow users to search your post by certain categories, that can happen. Or you can just leave them all uncategorized. I'm going to just add one here so you can see what it looks like. Let's call this category flooring. So now it's categorized as flooring, this post. Tags, we'll add flooring as a tag too. And we're also going to set a featured image. Actually, first of all, down here you can decide what you want your posts, what you want to add with your post. So, for instance, you can have nothing. You can have an image slider, which is a few images rotating around. You can have a video at the top, or you can have an image at the top. So I'm going to just select image for this one. You can define the maximum height or maximum width of the slider if you want. I'll leave all this the same. Default, leave everything as the default, but this is all stuff you can customize. If there's a video, you can put the video URL here or embed the embed code video there. So move back over to this side. I'm going to set the featured image now, and I'm going to upload a new file for that. I have a file here just of a heated floor. So now that image is in your library. I'm going to set that as the featured image. You can see that here. This SEO stuff, we'll talk about that later. But this is basically a complete post now, so we're going to publish it. And we'll view it. So this is what that blog post looks like. So there's an image, there's the title, there's the content. And because we left the sidebar on this page, this shows different kind of things you can search for within your blog. So you can see your latest blog posts. You can search by month, blog posts for a certain month. You can search by category. So since we classified this post as flooring, there's a flooring category that comes up. So if you click on that, let's say, then it'll display all the posts that have been categorized as flooring. So we're just going to go back to our dashboard now here. And if we go to our pages, all pages, if we go to view our blog page, so now this is going to show, so this is just a list of our latest blog posts. So this is the one we just posted. Here's the one that was pre-populated in, and it shows the same kind of category searches along the right. So if we were to add another blog post, it would just be displayed up at the top here, and basically you see the latest ones. So back to our dashboard. So now if you go into this posts link again on the left, you can see all your blog posts. So now there's two here. You can see your categories. So there's two different blog categories now. And you can see your tags. So there's been one tag. This is a way to keep track of your blog posts and organize them by category, by tag, by date. There's a bunch of different ways you can do that. Also allows users on your website to search by those different things too. If they want to specifically find all your posts on flooring, they can do that. So that's how you add a new blog post. We're going to move on now and talk about menus.